Okay, so we catch all of our mussels. What do we do next? The next thing that you have to do is they would steam these. And probably a better way to say is they would cook them. They would build a fire and then heat some water up, and they would throw these shells inside of there. And what that would do is that would make them easy to open up. They're easy to pull apart. And then you can do a couple things. You've got the guts inside. You'd have to clean those out. And basically, you would just kind of spoon those out. Now, what are you going to do with all of those? Well, there's a couple of things you could do. There really wasn't a good use for the meat. One thing that they would do is sometimes use it for fish bait. If you've ever tried to catch catfish before and used chicken liver or something like that, this has got kind of a distinct odor, and catfish will definitely eat it. But if you're doing hundreds and hundreds of thousands of these, you're going to have more fish bait than what you can use pretty quick. So that didn't work to get rid of a lot of it. One thing in some places that they tried to do is they would feed these to pigs. And pigs would eat that meat right up, but there's a little problem with that. What would happen is then after the pigs were butchered and people would eat the pork, the mussel guts or meat made the pork taste very bad. And so the fact of the matter is most of these guts just got dumped. They really couldn't do anything with them. So now this, when you were cleaning these shells out, you could get a little unexpected bonus.